In a thrilling showcase of speed and teamwork, the United States women's 4x100 meters relay team emerged victorious in championship record time over the Jamaican women at the Budapest World Championship. The race, held under heightened anticipation, saw the American quartet shatter the record and clinch the gold medal with an outstanding performance.
United States against Jamaica, side by side. The 100-meter champion against the 200-meter champion. Richardson, Jackson, she's closing, but not fast enough. It's gold for the Americans. Redemption, brilliant performance.
The women's 4x100 meters relay has consistently stood as a fiercely competitive event, pitting the Caribbean powerhouse Jamaica against the United States on the global stage. This relay has become a source of immense pride for the Caribbean region, with Jamaica and the Bahamas having previously claimed the event's top honors. Following individual competitions within the World Championships, athletes unite for a final endeavor, passing the baton seamlessly and crossing the finish line ahead of the competition. This collective effort symbolizes the culmination of their individual feats. Over the years, the United States has evolved into the Caribbean region's main contender in this event. Renowned athletes like Gail Divas, Lauren Williams, Carmelita Jetta, Muna Lee, Allyson Felix, English Gardner, and Twanisha T.T. Terry have transformed the U.S. team into a formidable force. The Caribbean region, too, boasts a roster of exceptional talents including Debbie Ferguson, Chandra Stirrup, Karen Stewart, Veronica Campbell-Brown, Elaine Thompson-Hira, Sharika Jackson, and Shelly Ann Fraser-Price. Since 2005, the women's 4x100 meters relay at the World Athletics Championships has predominantly been claimed by either Jamaica or the United States, cementing a riveting rivalry between these two nations. Ahead of the Budapest World Championship, the United States made comprehensive preparations with a relay camp led by coach and Olympian Michelle Lewis Freeman. In contrast, the Jamaican team opted for a last-minute relay camp just 10 days before the competition. The Budapest World Championships women's 4x100 meters relay featured 2 heats, with the top 3 teams for each heat advancing to the final, along with the next 2 fastest teams based on times. Heat 1 witnessed Jamaica's quartet, Brianna Williams, Elaine Thompson-Hira, Shasha-Lee Forbes, and Shelly Ann Fraser-Price secure victory with a season-best time of 41.70 seconds.
Spain on the outside, but it's Jamaica on the inside to Shelly Ann Fraser-Price. Tarjo of Great Britain, these two are away and clear. Fraser-Price is flying. Jamaica and Great Britain, and a brilliant third place by Switzerland, will pay close attention to the clock.
In Heat 2, the American lineup comprising Tamari Davis, Twanisha T.T. Terry, Tamara Clark, and Melissa Jefferson crossed the line in 41.59 seconds, earning them the title of fastest qualifiers for the final.
Côte d'Ivoire and the Americans. Round that second bend, Tamara Clark. The Italians running really well, and remember it is the top 3 who come through. Melissa Jefferson pulling the United States home. USA, Côte d'Ivoire, and the Italians with windmill arms coming across the line. Alessia Pavesi.
After a day's rest, the stage was set for the eagerly awaited women's 4x100 meters relay final. Jamaica's squad, consisting of Natasha Morrison, Shelly Ann Fraser-Price, Shasha-Lee Forbes, and Sharika Jackson, faced off against the American team composed of Tamara Davis, Twanisha T.T. Terry, Gabrielle "Gabby" Thomas, and J-irie Richardson. As the race commenced, Natasha Morrison propelled Jamaica forward with an explosive start. Although Shelly Ann Fraser-Price encountered an injury during her leg of the race, she valiantly handed the baton to Shasha-Lee Forbes. Meanwhile, the United States steadily closed in on the leading position. Sharika Jackson received the baton from Forbes, with J-irie Richardson taking over for the US team. In a breathtaking surge, Richardson maintained an unassailable lead, crossing the finish line in a championship record time of 41.03 seconds. This victory marked the United States' second consecutive gold medal in the event. Jamaica secured silver with a season's best time of 41.21 seconds, while Great Britain claimed bronze in 41.97 seconds. The jubilant celebration by the American team was briefly overshadowed by concern for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce's well-being. It was later revealed that Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce had endured a muscle strain on her previously injured knee. We can only remain optimistic that the severity is minimal and that she will be healed in time for the 2024 Paris Olympics next year. Overall, the Budapest World Championship proved eventful for the Caribbean region, with its athletes earning multiple medals and leaving an indelible mark on the global stage. The performances on display underscore the dedication, talent, and passion that fuel the world of athletics. What are your reflections on the outcomes of the Budapest World Championships? As we reflect on the riveting rivalry between nations, the Caribbean's steadfast commitment to the sport of track and field, and the unforeseen challenges that athletes face, we are reminded of the profound impact that sports can have on individuals and entire regions. The roller coaster of emotions, from exhilarating victories to concerns for injured athletes, encapsulates the unpredictable nature of competitive sports. Looking ahead, the anticipation builds for the upcoming 2024 Paris Olympics, where the world's finest athletes will once again converge to showcase their prowess and redefine the boundaries of human achievement. The narratives that have unfolded in Budapest only add to the excitement of what lies ahead in the world of sports. Ultimately, the Budapest World Championship served as a testament to the resilience of athletes, the spirit of camaraderie, and the sheer joy of witnessing history unfold before our eyes. As we bid farewell to this chapter, we eagerly await the next chapter of athletic triumphs, records broken, and moments that inspire us all. If you've enjoyed this coverage of the Budapest World Championship and want to stay updated on more thrilling sports events, inspiring victories, and remarkable stories from the world of athletics, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of the action and can join us in celebrating the incredible journeys of athletes around the globe. Subscribe now and stay connected to the excitement. This is J-irie Caribbean Sports. See you in the next video.
United States against Jamaica, side by side. The 100-meter champion against the 200-meter champion. Richardson, Jackson. She's closing, but not fast enough. It's gold for the Americans. Redemption. Spain on the outside, but it's Jamaica on the inside to Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Tarjo of Great Britain. These two are away and clear. Fraser-Pryce is flying. Jamaica and Great Britain, and a brilliant third place by Switzerland will pay close attention to the clock.